The Gamma Seal lid gasket. Have you ever had the gasket just fall off the lid when you open it up? Time to replace that gasket. Order from our website. The Gamma Seal lid has a specific channel for the gasket. To replace the gasket, take the gasket out of the bag. Don't stretch it, just put it around, hook it around the outside of the lid. Using your right thumb, pin the gasket in the gasket channel. Using your left thumb, just work around the outside of the lid until you get the gasket in that channel. It's now seated, it won't fall off. You are now ready to achieve the proper seal.